Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to draw a square. Let's start with the horizontal line. This time I'm drawing it very at the bottom of my page because I'll need space. And I'm using an 8 centimeters radius, I think, and I'm just gonna use my compass and draw an arc. Then using the same 8 centimeters radius, I'm pointing my compass on the other intersection and making another arc. Next, using the same initial radius, I'm pointing my compass here and just making two marks over here. So now when I align my ruler to this point and extend the line, you see, I'm meeting the mark previously drawn. And I'll do that on the other side as well. So now I can align my two intersections like this, but I'm gonna stop here, okay? I'm not gonna draw that full line. I'm just gonna stop here and complete my square by adding this point right here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this and see you next time. Bye!